Hello everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I will be using a tool to automatically share everyone's posts from Facebook to Facebook groups. Okay, so we'll go into the tool software and select the Settings function. And select the Post Settings function. Here, we can also set up settings for Reels, as well as share to Marketplace and live streams. Today, we will be using the Post Sharing function. Okay, first, we'll choose the account we want to share from. Next, we'll set the time interval to 20 to 30 seconds. And we will use the AI content feature to write content when sharing. Next, we'll enter the post ID here. We'll save it, and then we'll share it to this group, to this page. So today, we'll be sharing to groups. Next, when you share to groups, there will be three options here: share to joined groups, share by ID, and share by list. Next, today we will be sharing to the groups we have already joined. And the maximum for each account is to share 2 posts. And for these 2 posts, you can also add more icons and comments. Okay, once all the information is complete, we just need to click Start.